Dude, this Astro games. that was the lock of all locks, bro.
You mean it was an easy game?
That was an easy game. That was definitely an easy game. Oh man, we talk bets too, guys. If you guys are haven't found out yet on our Discord, right, on the premium section, we do have bets that you guys could follow along if you guys are inclined into some level of degeneracy. But welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade idea show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host,
Teflon John here.
Teflon John.
DJ TJ in the mix.
DJ TJ in the mix. 45 Con John. Dude, you dodged another bullet, my guy. Tell the people how you dodged another bullet today.
My goodness. So I was actually down $2,000 on my Peloton trade, and then I was able to get out with a $650 profit today.
I'll take that any day. See, that's here's the thing. Like if you guys are new to trading or don't know where to start, just very curious, and you guys just dabble in it, right? That you would have taken the $2,000 loss. But if you follow the trade plan like John did, right? He has his own trade plans and he has his own level of risk management. You guys could also benefit from making up to $650. I've seen John be down $9,000 on a trade and come out of there with 12. Like the Tesla trade of 2020. That was bananas.
That was hilarious.
$9,000 down and still made $12,000 in profit. That's bananas. And that's the reason why we want you guys to join the Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Ready? Buying against momentum will feel like sticking a pineapple up your rectum. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
That's actually a good one. I'll do a 10 on that one.
Yes. You know where I got the inspiration for? I saw Little Nicky, and you know how they bent over Hitler and they stuck a pineapple up his butt. You know what? Little Nicky makes me believe that hell could be a fun place. It makes me believe that hell could be a fun place. These are the prerequisites, right? I also saw this caricature or a comic about like, oh man, they thought of everything in hell, even the coffee's cold. You know what? I love my coffee cold. I don't want to go to heaven. None of my friends are there. I don't want to go there. All my friends are down there. They're fun.
True.
All right. Yeah. Right. And then if you haven't yet, make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up, because if they give us a thumbs down, what's their name? A full one, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this banging intro. And as always, before we get into any plays, member gains. Not a whole lot of member gains today, just one actually. That comes from our senior analyst, Dead Prez. Dead Prez 348 made some money on Tesla and made some money on Boeing. Right? Not every trade is a home run. You take these small wins and they add up to a very good P&L for the day. And 348 for an honest day's work, where can you get that?
I don't know. I mean, if you worked at the strip club, I mean, yeah, you could make more, but do you work at the strip club?
I don't even think the B team strippers get that. Like I want to know if there's like a pay differential.
Of course,
like
there has to be the AM and the PM shift. There has to be.
No. There's an AM shift, there's a PM shift, and there's prime time. The AM shift's kind of weak.
It's like the NBA. You got the G League and you got the league.
But like, I want to know what is the issue with the C team that does the morning shift. Is it like they had to squeeze it into their schedule? Is it more of they're missing a fifth toe? I mean, is it more of a
They haven't been promoted yet.
okay, so it's like proving grounds, like you could get up the pole, but you can't slide down and twirl down. Like the skills are not that great yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. But there's potential for you to get called up. I'm very curious if we have any viewers that are artists. I'm gonna call them artists because we got to support the arts. They're artists, right? It's hard, dude. If I find a pole, bro, I can't dance for shit. I can't even do a pull up. Like, I can't do a pull up. I can't even get up a pole. So shout out to those people who can, because that's a skill, right? The first stock that we want to cover is Sofi as a review. Sofi annoyed the hell out of me today. It had a very beautiful gap up, and then
Where's your stream deck? Did you order it already?
I'm about to buy it from Best Buy.
Oh, they have it at Best Buy?
Yeah, they have it at Best Buy.
Okay. All right. So Sofi right here. I got a confession, guys. I added 5 more contracts.
45 con John. That's why you should like I feel like that scenario, like, these is my confessions. Like
this one right here, when do I stop, right? When should I stop? Because my expirations, November 19th. I have a 17.5 calls, strikes for this one. And my goal, my personal goal, is that 21 spot, that sweet 21 spot.
Sweet 21 spot.
I think it's coming.
Consolidating. We are barcoding.
I'm gonna keep saying it's gonna come. It's gonna come soon.
Yeah, we're just barcoding here. Remember, consolidation is a short seller's worst enemy. One thing to note is we did bounce off the EMA 9, so I'm holding on to my calls.
If this goes below 16, then yeah, I might start trimming because I might run out of time. But anything above the 9, I should be fine.
Yeah, anything above the 9, you should be fine. So that's pretty much the review for Sofi. We're gonna move on to our next stock, which is Bed Bath and Beyond, a meme stock, John.
BBBY.
Not to be confused with BBW. Why? Because Buffalo BWW Buffalo. What did I say? Did I say BBW?
BBW is a big booty whore.
No, it's is it?
What does it mean? BBW, what does it mean?
Beautiful big women? Is that?
Oh, really?
I think so.
Is that a big booty whore?
No. You remember that one song before? Big booty. I got big booty. You remember that one song? I love that song. That's my favorite song. I remember one time I blasted that song and I went to a party and I just busted in the door and I'm like, I like big booty. I like big booty.
Who doesn't like big booty, man? Come on.
I know. It's nice. Nice.
Come on, man.
All right. So for BBBY.
This
has too many numbers.
Hey, you ever been in a Bed Bath Beyond?
I like it. I like their
they even
love girls head with lights.
Oh, my bad. They even sell kitchenware.
No, they do. They do.
They sell everything.
I think that's the Beyond department.
Come on, man. All right. Check this out. So Bed Bath Beyond, what we're looking for over here, yes, it is a meme stock. It's a $2 billion market cap, and it is very volatile, first of all. So just you got to be cautious when you approach this one, because if you size it, incorrectly, and this thing goes south on you, or if you're shorting it, I mean, that's up to you. If it goes the other way, you might get burned. Okay, you might get burned pretty bad. So this one right here, my plan is to creep up on this one because it is sold. Okay, it's at 23 right now for the RSI. MACD is about to curl up on the upside because after a series of red days, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 red days in a row, and then today was a nice green hammer. This one has potential. This one has potential to run up all the way to 17.5. Okay, that's a 2-point run up right there. That's about 15% right there. So, but the ultimate goal is to fill the gap at 22. Okay, I know if you zoom out, it hasn't really done a whole lot because come on, it's Bed Bath Beyond.
I mean, the highest it ever got was 53 when it squeezed, and that was January.
That was back in January. When the meme stocks were moving. I mean, January 27th was probably like one of the best trading days in my career.
and then that we're now actually trading pre-squeeze levels.
Yeah.
Pre-squeeze levels. So I'm not, this is way oversold already. I think it's time.
It's beat up, man.
It's way beat up. This is like beat up like nobody ever wanted it. I mean, the last squeeze run, it ran up to 44.39. So it has potential to run up. Not even based on any catalyst, just people just wanting to hop into a short squeeze candidate. But let's do you know what the SI on this is?
No, actually we gotta take a look at it. Hold on
1 second.
21%.
Yeah, 21%. Not bad.
That's pretty.
Shorts need to cover soon. That's pretty much it. Shorts will need to cover. So if you guys are going to be playing this for a short squeeze, my suggestion is to pick an expiration date that's probably 2 to 3 months out, just to make sure that you're still in it and have some skin in the game. And then right when it squeezes, that's when you add. Don't go full position right now. Just have a teaser, have a taste of it. Right.
Yeah.
And then later on, go ham on it once it starts squeezing. Once you see more momentum to the upside, that's when you would want to add.
Yeah.
But that's the way I see Bed Bath and Beyond. Let's take a look at the next stock that we want to cover, which is Netflix.
Netflix, man. I missed the short on this one because today was a nice short opportunity. It seemed like they hit a top today, and this one's coming off of overbought levels. Okay. Yeah. It hit a 646.84 today as the very high. That's the very top actually, and RSI is coming off of from 72. It just hit 67 today after the sell-off. This one right here, it has potential to hit 617. That's your level of support. It really depends on how tomorrow is. If there's more continued, towards the end of the day today, there was a sell-off. The market somewhat came down, and today was a good opportunity. We missed it. I shorted Facebook instead of Netflix. So, I mean, it's whatever. Tomorrow there might be a continuation on this one. So,
gotcha. There, yeah. I think there's more. Nobody's gonna want to hold. I mean, Friday is usually a sell-off Friday after a nice pop in the morning. So that's just how it's been the past few weeks, past few trading sessions. So be prepared for any scenario. So always make sure that you guys keep cash on hand to exploit opportunities that come, kind of present themselves to you. But that's it for Daddy Bits, right? Is there anything else you want to add?
No, we're good.
Nice. All right. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up because Jonathan gave us a thumbs down.
Your mom works at the club.
At El Clubo Maximo, and then drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. Also, don't forget to hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy. If you're new to trading, don't know where to start, or just want to join a group of active traders that have your best interests at heart, remember we now are doing John's daily wrap up every last 15 minutes of every session.
So you guys are missing out, man.
Yeah, you guys are missing out. So we got to get into some potential swings for the next day. So make sure that you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com, and follow us on all social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch, right? And with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.